Navigating the path to a career in administration isn't always clear. With limited tools to assess skills, scarce training options, and a landscape where technology changes by the minute, it's tough to keep up. Add to that the challenge of aligning broad skill sets to the right job, the uncertainty about the value of certifications, and the barriers posed by job gaps and those with disabilities. But there's a way forward. Our workshops for consumers referred by VR counselors are designed to fine-tune this journey. We measure, enhance, and align your consumers' administrative skills to find the perfect job fit, ensuring they thrive in this dynamic field. Help your consumers step into their future in administration with confidence by becoming our participant. Let's bridge the gap together. Our participant career paths are tailored for you, the counselor, to have the best information at your fingertips to help support and navigate their job and career journey. In today's rapidly evolving job market, possessing robust computer literacy skills is not just advantageous, it's essential. Particularly in administrative roles, where efficiency and precision are paramount, being adept with technology not only streamlines tasks but also instills a sense of confidence when navigating job applications and pursuing career opportunities. Welcome to the Beginner Admin Workshop, designed to equip you with essential skills for success in the administrative field. Here, we'll walk you through what you can expect from this comprehensive program. Diving into the curriculum on day 1, we start with pre-testing to gauge participants' current skill levels. This helps us to navigate and identify each participant's individual goals based on their defined and discovered goals throughout this 20-day workshop that operates Monday through Friday. This class is 2 hours a day and runs 5 days a week, ensuring optimal learning outcomes. Skill development. Once your baseline is established, we embark on a journey of skill development. Through a series of structured lessons and hands-on activities, you'll learn everything from hardware basics to fundamental office communication concepts in the administrative domain, with an emphasis on Microsoft Office and Google Suite for optimal marketable potential to hiring managers. During the workshop, you'll undergo project-based post-testing every step of the way to assess participants' progress and proficiency. This real-world application ensures that participants are ready to tackle administrative tasks with confidence. The Beginner Admin Workshop curriculum consists of the following: Office hardware basics, keyboarding speed and accuracy, communication concepts in the administrative domain, Gmail setup and email professionalism, Microsoft Word basics and Google Docs, Microsoft Excel basics and Google Sheets, Microsoft PowerPoint and Google Slides. Finding the right job can be daunting. That's why we provide extensive reporting every week summarizing the work from each day. Summaries coincide with the curriculum. This helps us offer job matching and guidance services based on participants' expressed goals and interests paired with the instructor's observation of newly acquired skills and abilities. Weekly reports consist of daily summary with a score based on the curriculum. Participants express goals. Instructors provide feedback on assessed skills that relate to jobs suitable for participant. For VR counselors, we understand the challenges in helping consumers choose administrative careers. These workshops give counselors the information from the 4 weeks and 3 weekly reports and a final comprehensive exit report to measure a consumer's skills to assist them in improving their administrative journey toward their career and offer job recommendations that are based on their abilities. In these recommendations, we make suggestions based on the participant's performance. Exit reports give a summary that includes typing scores and attendance record, as well as a grade scale from 1 to 5 that helps the counselor understand where the participant's strengths are. We include prospective job options based on the participant's personality and interests. We also indicate if someone has demonstrated the ability to get a job immediately out of workshop, if they are recommended for a program like CWE, CBA, OJT, or PIP. We also indicate if someone isn't suited for administrative work at this time with accommodations based on their performance. Our small class size is never to exceed 8 participants in one class, ensuring personalized attention and a conducive learning environment. With a maximum of 8 weeks of instruction, meaning if someone doesn't pass the course or any portion of the course, they get an entire 4 extra weeks to redo for free. Any additional authorizations for reporting would be required upon the last day of class. Since every participant is different, they can complete the program in as little as 4 weeks or take as many as 8 to ensure they are given the time needed to work at their pace. Oh, did I mention you can refer your consumer to take only the basic admin test? For those who feel they can test their skills, we offer a 2-part exam. The first part is a 13-question typed exam that mimics the test given in the course curriculum, and the second part is a condensed practical project based on the information learned over the 4 weeks to see if the participant can apply the skills to mock scenarios. Who may this be best suited for? For someone who has worked in the administrative field before but feels like they may not be current with technology, or for someone who believes they can pass the course because they have computer literacy, testing may be a good option. We believe in a person-centered approach, tailoring our instruction to allow participants the ability to express accommodations needed based on their individual needs and goals. Whether they are a beginner or looking to enhance their existing skills, this workshop is designed to accommodate participants' individual needs. Each participant expresses their individual job goal over the course of the workshop. This allows for the participant to discover what best works for their interests. On the last day of the 4-week workshop, participants have the ability to have a 15-minute exit meeting with their instructor and counselor discussing the status of their experience in the workshop. This meeting is pre-scheduled when the participant starts their first day of program. In that brief meeting, the counselor will know if the participant needs to make up a portion of the workshop or identify if they have successfully completed the workshop. At this time, recommendations will be made about the next steps as a collaborative effort from all parties to expedite the process. Completion of the admin workshop serves as a prerequisite for advancing to some of our other skills workshops that are currently in development. Those workshops are a 1-week back office organization intensive, a 2-week front office communication intensive, and an intermediate admin workshop. Why create these different workshops? Because we understand that each participant has unique interests and goals. Some prefer to work in a back office away from several people, while others thrive working with others. We recognize no two situations are alike, and we want to give your consumer as many tools as possible to achieve their personal goals while being mindful of where they have demonstrated they excel. Our cyclical rotating schedule allows counselors to refer and get their consumers in as soon as possible. This cyclical rotation ensures a continuous pathway for personal and professional growth. We look forward to serving you and your consumers. Together we can provide the tools for optimal opportunities. Contact us at essnevada.com to refer today.